Today we're going to use popsicle sticks to turn a tin can into an awesome container.
For today's craft, you are going to need a can. Here I have just taken the wrapping right off of it, so the label is gone. The top is also gone, and it's empty and nice and clean. I have some popsicle sticks, some glue, scissors, and something to wrap around the front with if you would like. So here I have some ribbon, some raffia, some string would do. Whatever you happen to have will work. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to take these popsicle sticks and we are going to put them all around our container. Now, you could use hot glue for this, or you can just use regular glue. Regular glue works perfectly fine. You just need to make sure you use enough of it. So I'm going to take my glue. I'm going to put quite a bit on my popsicle stick, and I'm going to take that popsicle stick and glue it down. Now today I'm using just these plain popsicle sticks. I really like the earthy tones of just the natural, but you could do this in multiple colors if you wanted. The sky is the limit for your creativity. So just go ahead, put a bunch of glue on your popsicle sticks, and then you're going to glue them side by side. Here is the bottom of my can, and I just like to line them up, and then I also like to make sure that there's not any space in here. So as you're gluing, make sure that you are filling in that space. This takes a little bit of time, but once you get started, it does get a little bit faster. So just go ahead, put your glue on, and glue them all down side by side all the way around your can. Once all your popsicle sticks are on, then you are ready to go ahead and use whatever you happen to have to just wrap around, just to make a little decoration. Here I'm going to use some ribbon, and I'm just going to go around and tie a little bow. Look how cute that little bow is. So you can do that. So I have some raffia as well. I could use that too, or I could just choose to use one. And you can just experiment and try something out, see which one you like the best. This is where you get to be creative and use whatever decorations you happen to have at home. You can layer, completely up to you. So you can see here I have a bow, here I have some raffia. I can make a decision on which one I like, and it is ready to go. I actually quite like the raffia just on its own, so if I were just to take the bow right off, I just think that looks super simple and beautiful. So I could just do that, or I could just do the bow. Completely whatever you think the person that you're going to give it to likes, or whatever you like, and it's ready to put whatever you would like inside. You could use this as a beautiful gift. Here's a craft I made, a pen craft with a little flower. I can link that for you as well. Can go right inside. You could use this for craft supplies. You could put a whole bunch of real flowers in there. Now you know how to make one. You could make as many as you would like. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.